Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bose SoundLink Revolve Series 2 Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it is not pairing or connecting to your device, or if it just keeps disconnecting, if you're having any sound issues, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again because all of the pairing history and everything will be deleted off, and it will be like this speaker was coming out of the box new. But if you want to go ahead and do that, that is quite easy to do. All we need to do is we're going to have the speaker turned on, and with the speaker turned on, we're just going to come in and press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, the speaker will turn off. We can wait a couple seconds and then turn it back on. And we should see the indicator light as in light blue, and the speaker will actually prompt us to choose a language, indicating that it has been fully reset to its factory defaults.